So I also wanted to share an approach that we've developed in the past year where people are adding subnational or national level political data in countries where there is not much data on Wikidata yet. And some people find this upfront work a bit boring, but if you're planning to add a lot of data for a country, then it will really help you in the long run. Our approach is that it's best to create the items relating to political positions and people before you add the data to the person's, before you start adding the data to the person's Wikidata item. I'm going to explain a checklist of the items you'll want to create if you're going to go for this approach. So check 1 is, does an item exist for the part of the legislature that you're looking to add members of? So e.g. Aba South Legislative Council in Nigeria. So you need to check Wikidata and see if an item exists for that. And if not, you'd need to create an item. Check 2, does the legislative term for which you're hoping to add to politicians Wikidata item exist, such as the 57th United Kingdom Parliament. Check 3, do all the items for the political position exist? For example, if you're creating the Aba South Legislative Council, you'll need to create an item for a member of the Aba South Legislative Council. And check 4, do items for the electoral districts for the area each politician represents exist? And again, if not, you'll need to create these districts. So the Abia State Assembly in Nigeria has 24 constituencies, of which Aba State is one. So if you wanted to add the data for all the members of the Aba State Assembly, you'd need to create items for each of the 24 constituencies. And again, we have tutorials on how to do this. So once you've created all of those items, you can get to the fun part of creating items for politicians and adding that information to their item.